Filtering and sorting in Power Query. Filtering in Power Query is very similar to filtering in Excel. There's a pretty robust interface, but sorting is the tricky part. So let's check this out. We've got all of this team data. Let's take it into Power Query. Cursor in the data range, data from table/range. Table does have headers. Okay. So here's a filter button, and we can see we've got number filters. We could check or uncheck whatever we want. We have our between, greater than, etc. And then with this text, we can check or uncheck whatever we want. We can select begins with, contains, etc. That's all pretty cool. But sorting, look at the sort section. We can sort ascending or descending. But what if we want to sort by levels? In this case, we want to sort by team, and then by last name, and then by first name. How do we do that? We have to sort in order. So let's do it. Highlight team, sort ascending. Highlight last name, sort ascending, and then first name, sort ascending. Everything is in order. But hey, what about filtering? Let's do that real quick. You and I are interested in the first and second year players for the Pirates and the Southern Stars. So let's do it this way. I'm going to highlight this filter button, unselect everything, select 1 and 2. Okay. Next, I want to show you the advanced way of filtering. We could use the check marks here, but I'm going to go over here and hit anything because I'm going to go to advanced and I want to select team where it equals Southern Stars or team equals Pirates. And notice we could add more clauses if we needed a more complex filter. So click OK. Here are the 4 people who fit our criteria, Pirates or Southern Stars, that are 1 or 2 year. And remember that issue with sorting. If you're sorting by levels, you have to sort in order.